my name is Nancy with Karo Startup, and in today's video, we are going to talk about what investors look before investing in startups. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's face it, starting a business can be expensive. Few entrepreneurs have cash on their hands to get the ball rolling without any outside help. If you're starting a small business or looking to grow your business, you may seek financing through microloan, traditional loan, or cash from your friends and family. You can also seek funding from investors, but what do they look for when evaluating your company? Here are the 6 important things that an investor wants to know before sinking their money in a company. First is financial performance. You need to know your number. Prove to the potential investors that your company has an excellent financial performance, especially if you're seeking funding from a bank. Venture capitalists look for a potential of high return and clear exit opportunities. Prepare to answer questions about the financial stability of your company. Investors will ask if your company shows signs of growth and plans such as issuing shares or borrowing money to stimulate growth. The second important thing is rock solid business plan. A solid business plan demonstrates to investors that you are serious about your business and that you have given thoughts to your plans to make money. While your business plan won't be enough to convince the investors to back you, no investors will put money in without one. Among other things, your business plan should include
your intended market with data to show why that market is your target, database, hard number, financial projections, sales channel with data to show why those channels will be effective, marketing plans and goals with data to show why those plans will be effective, analysis of competition for your product or service, projected timeline for when you will start making money, potential obstacles for your plans of dealing with them.
The third important thing is company's uniqueness. Your product or service need to be unique. Prove to your investors with concrete evidence that your market potential is big enough to make investment worthwhile. Convey to your investors what it is about your product and service that make it stand out. Is there a market potential for your unique product? Does it solve a unique problem? Is it a brand new innovation or invention? Venture capitalists are influenced by the product characteristics such as proprietary features and competitive advantage. Investors look for features that distinguish you from potential competitors and give you some sort of advantage such as intellectual property protection, exclusive license, exclusive marketing, and distribution relationships. Fourth important thing in my list is effective business model. What you need, where it will go, and when will they get it back. Your investors aren't just going to hand you over the cash and walk away. Again, they're in this for the return. So they would want to know why exactly you need the cash and what are your plans after getting that fund. They would also want to know when they can expect a return, and that should be part of a business plan. Your company will start to display strategic values as soon as it begins to generate profit. Present your business model as you are currently using and prove that it will help your company become more profitable. Investors will also be looking for an exit strategy, and you need to think about this in advance. When they want to sell, will you buy them out? Can they sell to another party? If they don't know that they can get their money out, they ain't gonna put their money in the first place. The fifth important thing is large market size. Angel investors typically invest in solutions that address major problems for significantly large target markets. On the other hand, venture capitalists look at market characteristics such as significant growth and limited competition when investing. The large and more stable customer base that your brand has, the stronger competitive advantage you will have when pitching to investors. A larger and more stable customer base will serve as a proof that your company has a great impact to its target market. Investors look for companies that can grow quickly and can manage the high growth scale. Investors must see that the company can generate significant profit beyond the initial product idea with adequate financial projection and a plan to include multiple sources of revenue. The sixth and last important thing is background and experience in industry. Investors don't want entrepreneurs to make mistakes on their dime. Investors looks for experienced entrepreneurs and management team with a track of high performance and leadership in company's industry or in prior ventures. Most investors will research your business experience and background in the business industry. Passion and commitment should be evident to inspire confidence in investors and stakeholders. Angel investors place great importance on chemistry between themselves and entrepreneurs because they generally take a more hand-on approach in businesses they invest in. Entrepreneur and angel investors have mentioned that they look for founders who have ideally done something high stress when failure or rejection is constant at small or high scale almost every day. Now let's come to the conclusion. Investors are into it to make money and your task is to show them that you will do just that and that you will do it better than other investment opportunities. To make a successful pitch, the most important thing you can do is to be prepared. The business plan should be as watertight as you can make it. Your story should be compelling and well thought out. You should know how exactly you're going to do with the money and how exactly your investment should be structured. Show your potential investor that you're thinking about the future because that's their number one concern. This is all I had for you all today. If you find this video informative, please like this video, share this video as much as you can and subscribe to this channel. And till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.